Hey guys! Welcome to my last Vlogmas of 2022. Today is December 24. It is Christmas Eve and I'm currently here at the family compound of my dad. So, puro dad's side of the family to, and first time na complete kaming siblings for Christmas Eve. So, si Ate Ina, Kuya Rap, Ate Lala, they'll be here. I think Ate Ina's here na because my dad's calling me. But I just wanted to do an intro for today's vlog, and yun nga, last na. So, I'm not quite sure kung makaka-vlog ako ng madami today because of course we want to spend time with the family, especially my dad's side and siblings and my dad, because next year ko na sila makikita kasi aalis na kami on Monday. So yeah, super simple look lang for tonight because di ako masyado naka-ready because I had to do some last minute Christmas shopping and for a trip. So yeah, there's my dad. Say hi to the vlog!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Okay, let's go!
Unbox.
Unbox my gift, Dad.
Okay.
Simple lang, but I think you need it.
This is nice.
It's an Apple Watch strap. It's reversible. Kasi yung watch strap ni Dad, ever since nakuha niya yung watch, hindi niya pinalitan yung strap. So, you need it.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Complete! Okay, we're gonna open this gift.
Wow! Ano to sa ano? Oh!
So,
thank you!
Thank you! Actually,
different scents. Pero for travel, pwede siya sa carry-on namin.
Oo nga. Cute! Joe Malone.
So, short kailangan natin mag-travel.
This is a sign. Thank you, Alex!
Thank you! Thank you!
Hey guys! Time check, it is now 10:05. So now I am on the way to the other house. Super near lang naman, so I am driving. Time to spend time naman with mom's side of the family. So, yeah! Hey guys! Merry Christmas! So I'm with Katie na, and we're with the family. But we're just waiting for Bear so that we can start our dinner. And then after, what are we gonna do?
Open our gift!
Who's so excited? You're excited?
Yeah!
So, we're with the family. Nakaset up lang kami here sa labas. Say hi, guys!
Hi!
Hello!
Merry Christmas!
Whose gift is that? Super big Who's that? Is that your gift? Super big?
Yeah.
Are you excited to open it?
I'm gonna give that to me.
Do you have any guess?
Yeah.
What?
It's Papa Nina.
It's what? What?
It's Papa Nina.
What's that?
What's inside?
What do you think is inside? Do you have any guess?
Maybe
You don't have any guess?
this box with the toys.
Box with the toys.
Yeah.
Ah. How about Achi? What do you think Achi got you?
I'll show you vlog.
Later. You'll unbox
Yeah.
the gifts. Okay.
I want the white one.
Okay. So we'll have dinner first and then we'll unbox gifts with
We
them.
already eat dinner.
Oh, no, we're about to eat pa lang.
Yeah.
Okay, see you later.
Go for the vlog.
Santa Bear!
Bear!
Merry Christmas! Thank you, Bear! Ito ba yung bawal ma-fold? Mom! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Hi!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! How's SF?
Very fun.
Okay. Miss you. What's that? Let's unbox Mom's gift. Thank you, Mom. My favorite. The paper bag's so pretty.
It's a bigger mirror!
Wow! open. Oh my gosh, Mom! So nice! Wow! This is the one with, ano, diba? Little strap. Lipsticks! Oh my gosh, I've been seeing this on TikTok. So it comes with a lipstick, and then 3 refills, and then you can even use it as a sling bag. May strap din siyang kasama, guys, here. Thank you, Mom! Wow, so cute! Can I see what's that? Wow! Trolley case! Cute! What did Uncle Jordan give you? What's that? What's that?
Wow!
Yung display ni Mommy sa bahay. Nagalit. Kaylee's gonna open her biggest gift. Who gave you that?
Uncle.
Okay, go! Open! You want me to help you? Okay, time to open your biggest gift. Wow, Kaylee, what's that? You know what it is? It's a what? What did you get? What is it?
The car.
What color?
White, like mom. Like that. Wow!
Wow, may plate number pa, Alexa, Kikiya. This girl got a pickup for Christmas. Merry Christmas, you guys! So today is December 25. I hope you all enjoyed your holidays with your family, friends, and your loved ones. So I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. So kahit Christmas Day today, nag-celebrate naman tayo yesterday with the family. Since aalis tayo tomorrow, we're gonna be packing for our trip, and it's super exciting. I haven't really announced where we're going, but we're going to Korea. Dapat it's really me, Mom, and Shobe, pero naging whole family trip siya kasi biglang gusto na din nila sumama. So it's gonna be super fun and exciting. So I usually am like an early packer, but with the holidays and the holiday rush and everything we have to do this season, hindi na ako nakapag-pack. So medyo magka-cram tayo for tomorrow night's flight, and hopefully wala akong makalimutan and madala ko lahat. And I'm also going to be sharing with you some of my travel online finds from Shopee and Lazada, and those stuff really made my packing experience better and easier, and it helps me save more space. So if you guys are interested, I'll be leaving the links down below para kung magta-travel din kayo in the future, ganyan, baka mag-work din for you guys. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and let's start packing!
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow.
For toiletries, I have it in this little pouch. This came in like a pack of 6, I think. May mga packing cubes, there are bigger pouches. Super affordable, perfect for traveling so that your stuff are organized. So I have my toothbrush in here. And then I have my shampoo, conditioner, body soap. And I put it in a Ziploc because para hindi mag-spill if ever. So I placed my liquid stuff in these little plastic containers, and it's super easy to refill, and it's very space saving, and they're like less than 10 pesos each. So I have a small one and then a big one, and I also have a medium size, pero dalawang large and isang small yung ginamit ko. Moving on to the next item, I have a tiny loofah, and I got this from a PR, and ngayon ko pa lang siya magagamit. Perfect for traveling kasi super liit lang. And then I have pH Care in a travel size as well. Then I have Clean & Clear's facial wash and also a travel size, and just a shaver. So yeah, that is everything in my toiletry kit. Okay, so in this first packing cube, I have all of my tops, heat techs, and sweaters. Then on the second packing cube, I have my scarves, heat tech na tights, stockings, gloves, So, ayan, mostly mga accessories. And then in this pouch, I have my belts, my earmuffs, ayan, mga headwear, and headbands, ayan, another earmuff. Ito from Shein, super cute. I have a black like this, pero sinira ni Kaylee, so ito na lang yung madadala ko. So far, I have these packed already. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na it came in a pack. So, super affordable na ito, and in fairness, okay naman siya. Pero nag-order pa ako ng mas magandang quality pa. Like, the price difference naman is super layo, pero I just wanted to order more because I'm pretty sure pa uwi, I'll be needing more of these in case nag-shop. So, yeah.
Cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my head, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my.
So, these are the two bags that I'm gonna be bringing for my trip. This is my Fendi shoulder bag for the plane, and if that particular day I have a lot of stuff to bring, at least spacious siya. So, one shoulder bag, and then for my small bag, of course, my Palm Springs, and I can use it as a backpack and a sling bag. So, parehas lang na brown bag yung dadalhin ko para very neutral, and ayoko na magdala ng madami. So, this is small but it's very spacious. So, yeah, I'm just gonna be practical for this trip because it's gonna be cold. So, I wanna make sure na madali lang yung mga dadalhin ko. And medyo, I have half na lang space for my luggage. And then, I'm still debating if I should bring my bucket hat. Kasi naisip ko, hindi ko siya masyado nagagamit here sa Philippines. So, I don't know. I'll check pa kung may bagay na outfits. But, I'm still debating if I should bring this. And then, of course, I have my hairbrush in here. Pero hindi ko muna siya papasok kasi ito lang yung hairbrush ko. Then, I'm gonna bring my curling iron because I wanna curl my hair. Ayan. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan ko siya ilalagay. But, yeah. So far, this is the mess. I still have my hoodies over there. And then, I have one puffer jacket. This one is the one I bought from Colombia. Ito, lalagay ko to sa hand carry ko. And then, ayan. Super messy right now. My makeup remover. Ito, dadalhin ko to. Pero, not all of this. I also have this little jewelry box for traveling. Super duper affordable. I think it's less than 100. I love this because it has a lot of slots for my rings and earrings, and I can put my bracelets and necklaces here. Same with these ones. Pero I'm not quite sure kung magdadala ko ng madaming jewelry kasi feel ko hindi naman siya kita. Kasi diba guys, pag naka-hoodie, hindi naman kita, tas puro naka-jacket and thermal. So, baka I don't know, hindi din siya kita. So, I might just bring the ones that I normally wear, like, every day. So, yeah, that's the progress of my packing. For my shoes naman, I'm gonna be bringing two pairs. This one is a leather boots. This is actually my mom's, but she let me use it kasi hindi naman niya gagamitin. And I think this is cute for, like, my skirt outfits. So, I'm gonna be bringing this. And then, this other one, nakita niyo na to, it's also black and it's another pair of boots. And probably I'm gonna bring sneakers for my airport fit. So, ayan. My gosh, guys. Lalagay ko yung shoes ko and I have other small stuff. Ito na lang yung space ko for shopping.
Merry Christmas, guys, and a Happy New Year!
I dream of December nights, kissing under bright